In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see price drop on Dhgate. If you're shopping for great deals, knowing exactly where to find real-time discounts on the site can save you time and money. I'll walk you through the exact path on the website and share a few tips so you understand what you're seeing and how to make the most of it. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. This is the official site, and it's the quickest way to get to the deals you're after. If you shop there often, consider bookmarking the homepage so you can jump back to it easily. Next, log into your account. Being signed in helps the site surface relevant deals and ensures you can quickly act on anything you find. If you don't see the login option right away, look near the top of the page. Once you're signed in, you're ready to browse. From the homepage, take a moment to look around the main content area. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a section labeled Price Drop, often highlighted with a lightning icon. This is the hub for items that have recently gone down in price. Click the View All link in that price drop section. This opens a dedicated page that gathers the current markdowns in one place, making it much easier to scan through categories and spot big savings without clicking around the entire site. On the price drop page, you can see all the items that are currently discounted. Typically, you'll notice the original price, the new price, and sometimes a percentage off, so you can quickly gauge the value of the deal. Keep in mind that some discounts are time limited or inventory based, so listings on this page can change throughout the day. If you're comparing several items, watch for product ratings, seller feedback, and estimated shipping times to get a fuller picture of the total value. When something catches your eye, click the item to open its product page and see exactly how much the price has dropped. Here, you'll usually find more detailed pricing info, including the original price, any tiered discounts for larger quantities, and the current sale price. Take a quick look at shipping costs and delivery estimates, since a lower item price can sometimes be offset by shipping. Also, check the store's rating and recent reviews for extra confidence before you buy. That's it. By starting on Dhgate's homepage, locating the price drop section on the right, and using View All, you can zero in on current markdowns fast. Check back regularly to catch new drops as they appear. Happy deal hunting!